So in this lecture we are going to learn about animations in Adobe Photoshop, how to animate or how to work with animations in Adobe Photoshop. So here you can see I have done an animation to a object or shape. So basically animation is not difficult, but it is also difficult because Photoshop does not know how to rotate or animate anything like other animation softwares do. We have to try a little bit tricky options to make anything animated in Adobe Photoshop. So without any further saying, let's create our new document. Let me close and let me delete this one. I'm going to delete this layer. Oh my god, delete layer. Okay, so you can start with anything, a shape, a circle, a brush, anything you want. So for now I'm going to go with the custom shape tool, and from here you can click here and select all and click on OK, and you will see all the shapes here. And now I will go with this shape and I will draw a shape here. Press the shift button. Okay, so here the donut type shape that I'm going to work with now. So first of all you need to apply some gradients that will act as an animation. So double click on this or go to layer style and blending options, and first of all we need to add a gradient overlay. So I have done this before, so it is doing exactly, but what you can do is you have to select, let me select another one. Okay, first thing first, you have to select the angular option here, and after this you will have to select this preset, the first preset, foreground to background, and just add a stop here, nearly again 20 to 30%, and I will choose 25, and another stop right here, I think it's 40. That's okay, and make all the stops black except for this one. Change this to any color you want your animation icon or animation color to appear as. Click on OK and click OK. Now add an inner glow that will add some inner lines. Let me reset it all normal and contour to normal. So here's an inner glow. I have selected a color. Let me choose a yellow color. Okay, and as for the size, you can increase or decrease the size. I will go with the 7 or 8 and choose a contour to ring. So it will add a ring type contour, and change the blending mode from normal to overlay so that it can give a nice look. You can see how the layer properties act when we change it. So as for the gradients, that's it. Now we have to move to the animation pane. If you do not see your animation pane, click on Windows and then select timeline. After timeline, you can see that all the layers, we have currently added one layer. This layer is being showed here. Click on this icon and select style. Okay, now you have to move your animation slider to as much near as much far you want it to be. The more the frames are, the smoother the animation will be, and the less the frames are, the faster the animation will be. So I will select 6 frames. I will add 1 frame here. Okay, let us, okay, 1 frame here and 1 frame here. So just click on style and click on this stopwatch here. So we will add a stop or the animation keyframe here. Move your slider to the middle of this animation pane and double click on this gradient overlay. Now here's the tricky part. The Photoshop does not know how to, okay, let me undo it. And before going to this, make sure that you are working on 90. That's the trick. Okay, again click on style, double, now move the slider to 20% or 20th frame, click on gradient overlay. Now if you tell Adobe Photoshop that it is negative 90, it does not know negative 90 clockwise or anti-clockwise. So we will add minus 89. So it knows that it has to go clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Click OK and move the slider to the last stop. Okay, and now again click on gradient overlay, and this time change it to 92 so that it knows it has to go clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Click OK and just press this play icon. If you want your animation to loop, click on this one and click here loop playback. I will click play and you can see the first playback will be a little bit shaggy or stucky or sticky, what you want to say it, and after that it will be smooth as sail. So here is a short description about animations, how you can do animations in Adobe Photoshop. You can write text input, text typing, type style, fade in, fade out, whatever you want to animate. So as an assignment, you can make any animation of your choice and email me the links or post it in the discussion of this topic. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.